Welcome back and thank you for being tuned in to Times Now. I'm Pratibha. Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. The centre is making another attempt to break the deadlock over the ongoing CJP-led student protests. A crucial meeting is currently underway in the Parliament with senior ministers discussing the government's next course of action. Sources say the government is set to resume talks with the protesters, with the Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office, Dr. Jitendra Singh, expected to engage with the student representatives. So there will be an attempt from the government side to reach out to the students. Currently a meeting is going on in the Parliament and it is likely that the government will initiate talks with these protesters. Remember, previously as well a meeting has taken place, the protesters meeting JP Nadda and submitting a list of their demands, and now MOS Jitendra Singh is also likely to meet the protesters. My colleague Ravikant is getting us this information. So Ravikant, first you had a meeting, the first round of meeting with the Union Minister JP Nadda. We're told that the government is planning the second round of talks. What are the details?
देखिए, इस वक्त संसद भवन में दो अलग अलग और बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण बैठकें चल रही हैं। जानकारी ये मिल रही है कि 12 बजे दोबारा दूसरे राउंड की बातचीत जो है वो प्रोटेस्टर के साथ होगी। उससे पहले डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह और केंद्रीय कानून मंत्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल पार्लियामेंट के अंदर मिल रहे हैं। कल देर रात सोनम वांगचुक से मुलाकात की थी जेपी नड्डा और डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह ने। वो इस वक्त जो है पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर से जेपी नड्डा की मुलाकात चल रही है। बातचीत में कुछ ऐसे मसले हैं जिन पर आम सहमति बन चुकी है, लेकिन एक सबसे बड़ा बोन ऑफ कंडीशन ये है कि क्या केंद्रीय शिक्षा मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान के इस्तीफे पर सरकार का अपना स्टैंड क्या है, कि चाहे विपक्ष हो या प्रोटेस्टर, दोनों की ये डिमांड है कि सरकार को इन मंत्री का इस्तीफा लेना चाहिए। लेकिन अभी तक सरकार ने अपना स्टैंड इस पर क्लियर नहीं किया है और प्रोटेस्टर और विपक्ष दोनों को समझाने की बातचीत चल रही है कि आपने कहा कि नीट पर आप जो है पार्लियामेंट के अंदर डिबेट करिए, सरकार उस पर भी एग्री है कि आप डिबेट करिए, डिबेट के लिए हम तैयार हैं। अब देखना यह है कि जब दूसरे राउंड की बातचीत होती है उसके बाद क्या कुछ निकलकर सामने आता है।
Okay, all right. So second round of talks may take place. Lekin Ravikant, any word on when this meeting would take place? Any such information coming in on when this meeting could take place? Because in the first meeting as well, I think the CJP protesters had submitted their list of demands to JP Nadda.
देखिए, दूसरे दौर की जो बैठक है वो चूंकि पार्लियामेंट 12 बजे तक के लिए एडजर्न हुई है, सभी मंत्री जो है इस वक्त यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं और पार्लियामेंट में 12 बजे के बाद अगर हाउस चलता है वो उसके बाद ही इस बैठक के होने की संभावनाएं जताई जा रही हैं।
Okay, all right. Ravikant, thank you for getting us that information. Important update coming in. So very soon the government is likely to initiate the second round of talks. We have more breaking updates now coming in. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has announced the temporary closure of 16 key metro stations, including Janpath, Rajiv Chowk, Patel Chowk and Central Secretariat due to security reasons. These stations will remain closed until further instructions. DMRC has also clarified that interchange facilities will continue to be available at Rajiv Chowk and the Central Secretariat, even though entry and exit at these stations have now been suspended. My colleague Kritika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Kritika, multiple operations are going to be affected. What are the details? Which are the routes which are going to be most affected?
Well, of course, all the metro stations leading into central Delhi, 16 of them in total, are going to be now shut. We're right outside, in fact, the Janpath metro station. You can see, in fact, security personnel also present over here, and they're also informing commuters as and when they approach the exit of this metro station here of the latest update that these metro stations will remain closed. Now, a lot of these metro stations fall on the violet line, on the blue line, as well as on the yellow line as well. The interchange at the CSEC as well as, in fact, Rajiv Chowk will continue to function as normal. But as of now, all of these metro stations have been closed. Security reasons has been cited as a reason for it as well. We can also see, in fact, just to give you some more idea about this same, the other Janpath metro station route lies right there. If you'll be able to, in fact, see, that is the metro station. Barricading has been set up because that is the route which leads directly into the Jantar Mantar compound. So you'll be able to see a warning or a caution tent that has also been kiosk sort of a thing that has also been set up by the Delhi police too, in order to make the people aware of the security arrangements that have been done and the restrictions which are being put in place. Now remember, yesterday we saw even around between 7 to 8 p.m. in the areas of Janpat, in the areas of in fact Connaught Place as well, scuffle breakout between protesters and police at multiple points. And today, considering in the back of those instances as well, and as the protest at the Jantar Mantar site continues with the CJP leaders also present there, this has been a measure that has now been undertaken by the DMRC.
Okay, all right. Kritika, thank you for joining us with that update.